So you've been approved into the Amazon Influencer Program, and then you made it through on-site commissions approval, but you're sitting there with videos on your phone and wondering, does this actually count? Or is this good enough to post? This is the video for you because a lot of people don't get stuck because they can't make videos. The truth is, they get stuck because they don't know what qualifies as a real one. So let's clear that up. When you're brand new in the Amazon Influencer Program, you're not being judged on creativity, not yet. You're not being judged on polish, not yet. You're not being judged on editing, hooks, or even production quality. Right now, the bar is much lower than you think because you're not being judged on quality yet. At this stage, you're being judged on just one thing. Do you have videos on your storefront? That's it. This phase is about existence, not excellence. Amazon needs to see that you can show up, upload consistently, and explain products on camera. Here's what most people think counts. They think that a video has to be perfectly framed, scripted, quiet, well lit, a certain length, made by an expert. And listen, because they can't hit that bar, they don't post anything. It's like paralysis because of it. That's the mistake. So let me tell you what actually counts. A video counts if you've used the product. It counts if you can explain what it is. It counts if you can show it on camera. And it counts if what you're saying is real. That's it. Now let's talk about quality. Not perfection, but quality. You do not need to cut out every or If a kid is playing in the background, that's okay. Nobody said your house had to be silent. It's okay if it's not. If there's some background noise, it's okay. If your hair isn't perfect, also okay. If you didn't do your makeup, also okay. This is not a studio production. As long as you can be heard clearly and the product can be seen clearly, you're good. No one is grading your appearance. What matters is clarity. Listen, if this is already taking some pressure off, go ahead and hit the like on the video. I would super appreciate it. And more importantly, it helps other Amazon influencers who are stuck in the same phase actually find the video. And let me be clear about length. Short videos are allowed, but longer is often better if you have more to say. Don't cut yourself off just to hit some imaginary time limit that truly doesn't exist. Say what's useful and stop when you're done. No need to ramble, just stop when you're done. For most people starting out, that usually means like a minute or so, maybe a little bit more. But here's another place people get stuck: product research. You're going to hear a lot of people talk about product research and how important it is. And they're not wrong exactly, because it is important, just not in this phase. Remember, you're in the portfolio phase. In the beginning, your job is not to find the perfect product. Your job is to post, 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 do the thing. Video the things you already have, regardless of available spots in the carousel. You'll hear a lot about that. How many units the product sells. Don't get trapped. It's okay. Also, whether it's worth it. Again, you're building a portfolio. You're not optimizing for placement yet. You're also going to hear people tell you to use creator connections to request free products. And again, that advice isn't exactly wrong. But here's what they don't always explain. How many sellers do you think want to send a free product to someone who has no videos to show yet? Sellers aren't just giving away products for fun. They're trying to give away a product to somebody who's going to make an awesome video. So they're trying to picture what kind of video they're going to get. And if your storefront is empty or barely started, they have no way to judge it. That's why posting comes first. Your videos are your proof of work. That is your best salesperson for how great your videos are, is to have videos. They show sellers how you explain things, how you show products, what your style looks like. The more videos you have, the easier it is for somebody to say yes. So if Creator Connections isn't working yet, that doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. It usually just means you haven't given sellers enough to evaluate yet. They don't know what they're getting with you. Now, I want to make a quick note about thumbnails here. For Amazon videos specifically, you really don't need to waste your time making custom thumbnails. Again, going to hear lots of varying perspectives on that. However, it's my opinion and the opinion of many other people that custom thumbnails on Amazon specifically really don't matter. Amazon pulls from the video itself. However, if you're going to cross post to YouTube or somewhere else, that's when thumbnails matter. Different platform, different job. So here's a rule I want you to remember. If you've used it, you can review it. If you can talk about it clearly and show it on camera, it counts. Listen, done is better than perfect. Let me say that again. Done is better than perfect. So, if you're in this phase right now, drop a comment and tell me what's been holding you back from posting. And make sure you're subscribed. If you want to keep the conversation going, ask questions, or learn from other people who are in the same space as you, head to the community tab. That's where we keep things grounded, supportive, and judgment free. You can post anything you want. Everyone is welcome to ask questions there without feeling stupid or behind. Keep your eyes on your own paper, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.